For the minimalists among us, I would like to share our all occasion holiday greeting card. All occasion greeting card. This is a card that you can pass through over and over again around the home and to your loved ones, back and forth. It is the ultimate card. You never need another one. It is an occasion card. So it consists of a couple of brads, a couple of discs at the back that hold the brad together. And this disc said happy birthday for the occasion, but it can also say happy holidays and congrats. The fact that it is a brad means you can even create customized circles and change them out. You can say congratulations on your wedding. You can say you have a new baby boy. And all it takes is, you can even turn the circle around so that you have them here and you don't have to waste any more paper. And on the top here is son, mom, and dad. We don't have daughter, but you could use child. But you could make a custom version that has son, daughter, mom, dad, dog, spider, cat, whatever your household consists of. So this is the ultimate in reusability, the occasion card. Hope you liked it. Man Cub did.